Hello, students of class 6. Today we are going to study chapter 9, Developing Awareness. So, first we'll see the meaning of self awareness. So, self awareness means having a clear awareness of your personality, which includes your strengths, weaknesses, thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. So, it is the capacity of observing and the ability to recognize oneself as a individual separate who is separate from the environment and other individuals. So in the broad sense, you can ask few questions for yourself. Questions like you can ask, who am I? What do I want? What do I think? How do I feel? So you should ask for yourself. So when you ask for yourself, you can focus your attention on the details of your own personality and behavior. So that time what happens, you can do what you are willing to do. So we go to a story time now. You will listen one story. So this is a story of Arun. Arun, he was a son of a very famous doctor, and he was a boy of average academic result. That is, he was not a student who was coming first in the class, but he was like a average student. He was passing in all the subjects. Now he has completed his education, he finished his schooling, and now is in the place where he has to select the education for his career. So that time his father told him that you should become a doctor, because father is a doctor, so obviously he also wants his son to be a doctor. So he will tell his son to prepare for the entrance exams, and he will tell that he will be helping in that for entrance exam. So Arun also, he took his father's words and he started preparing for the medical entrance. But he was not able to do well in the entrance exam. So he was very sad, and one of his friends suggested him, try to look into your own self and identify the area of your interest. So his friend will suggest him that maybe you are not interested in the medical field. So you just think and identify in which field you are interested, and if you work hard for that, then you can succeed. So that night before going to sleep, Arun, he will think of himself. So next day he went to his father and he said to his father that he is not interested in medical science, but he is interested in electronics, and he want to do something in electronics. So his father was not happy in his son's decision, but still he gave permission to him. So now Arun started preparing in the field of electronics, and very soon his rooms filled with all electric devices, circuit boards, soldering guns, etc. And first he took a diploma course in electronics, and later his grades in diploma course allowed him to get a lateral entry into the bachelor of engineering course. And after becoming an engineer, he went on to do his MS in satellite electronics, and he took PhD in communication technologies. So his passion or his interest for electronics helped him to be a successful in his academic journey. So with the passage of time, he became a successful entrepreneur in the field of electronics, and he attended success only because he identified his strengths early in life and capitalized on them. So students, here you can see, after listening the story, you can see that try to analyze what you meant for. Okay, so don't think of what others are telling you to become. You focus on yourself and think that in what field you are interested. Okay, then you can focus on that. Then like Arun, you can also become a successful person here. So, even if you realize that you are weak, there is no problem. Just identify your weaknesses and work on them. So, when you do hard work on them, what will happen? You can overcome from your weakness, and one day you will become a successful person. Okay, so students, I hope today's chapter about developing awareness is clear to you all. So, thank you, children. Have a nice day. Stay safe at home. Study well.